Today I'm showing you 4 legit apps to make money online by simply answering surveys or downloading apps. And the third one on this list is a game changer for everyone who loves sharing their thoughts. The first app in our list is American Consumer Opinion. This platform connects you with companies that actually wants your feedback on products, ads and services. You will be sent surveys straight to your email or app, and each completed survey earns you points. These points can be redeemed for PayPal, cash or gift cards. Most surveys take under 10 minutes and payouts usually start at just $10. You don't need to be a professional, they just want honest answers from real people like you. Fill out your profile completely so you get more survey invites. The more active you are, the faster you reach that payouts. Next in the list we have HashHash. HashHash is an app that rewards you for completing surveys, downloading apps and even trying out games. It's super easy to get started and anyone can do it. Whether you are a student, stay-at-home parent or just looking for extra cash in your free time. Here is how it works. Once you download the app, you will see a list of tasks you can complete. Each task shows exactly how much it pays, so you always know what you will earn. Surveys are quick and simple, while app downloads and games trial can earn you extra points. All points can be converted to real money through PayPal. The minimum cash out is low, so you don't have to wait forever to get paid. Here is the pro tip. First, check the app daily. New tasks appear every day. Second, focus on the higher paying tasks first to reach your payout faster. Third, complete your profile fully. The app will then send you more personalized surveys, which means more money. And finally, log in consistently. HashHash rewards regular users with extra bonuses and promotions. Next in the list we have PrizeRibble. PrizeRibble lets you make money by completing surveys, watching videos and participating in simple tasks. Thousands of people are already earning extra income every month. And the best part is, it's 100% legit and beginner friendly. Here is the deal. Sign up for free. Fill out your profile to match with surveys and start completing tasks. Every survey or task gives you point. The more points you collect, the more cash you can redeem. PrizeRibble lets you cash out via PayPal, gift cards or even Bitcoin once you hit the minimum threshold. Most surveys are short and pay between 25 cents to $5, so it's perfect for quick earnings in your spare time. Here is the pro tip. Complete your profile fully to unlock higher paying surveys. Check the app regularly. New surveys and tasks are added daily. Focus on surveys that pay more and stake multiple tasks in one session for maximum earnings. Also, PrizeRibble has daily login bonuses, so don't miss out on free points every day. The last step in our list is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a legit rewards platform that pays real cash, not points for everyday activities. It's perfect if you want to earn some side money without changing your routine. Here is how it works. Once you create your free account, Inbox Dollars gives you a $5 bonus just for signing up. From there you can earn by completing surveys, reading sponsored emails, watching short clips or even testing new products. Every activity adds money to your account, and once you reach the minimum payout, usually $15 to $30, you can cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Here is the pro tip. First, always grab the daily surveys. They add up quickly. Second, use Inbox Dollars search engine instead of Google. You will earn while browsing the web. Third, check the offers sections regularly for high paying opportunities like trying out apps or services. And finally, stay consistent. Logging in daily keeps your balance growing faster than you think.